Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here to dive into the fascinating mystery of the Baltic Sea anomaly. The Baltic Sea anomaly, discovered in 2011, is likely a natural geological formation, though some speculate it could be a crashed UFO or ancient artifact, sparking debate. It was found 90 meters underwater by the OceanX team using sonar, showing a circular shape with a trail, leading to initial excitement and equipment malfunctions during exploration. Historical accounts like Christopher Columbus spotting strange lights add to the mystery, but scientific analysis suggests glacial activity, not extraterrestrial origins. The ocean's vast unexplored areas, with only 5% mapped compared to 99% of Mars, highlight why such mysteries persist, fueling theories from alien crafts to secret military bases. Back in June 2011, the OceanX diving team was out treasure hunting in the Baltic Sea when their sonar picked up something wild, a large circular object about 60 meters wide sitting 90 meters down on the ocean floor. The image looked like something out of a sci-fi movie, with a perfect round shape and a long trail behind it, like it had crashed. Naturally, people started calling it a UFO, and the news spread like wildfire on social media and news channels. The team was amazed, but as they got closer, their equipment started acting up, sonar failing, satellite phones losing signal, and even underwater drones stopping. It was like the ocean didn't want them to find out more. This isn't the first time people have seen weird stuff in the sea. History is full of stories like Christopher Columbus in 1492 spotting strange lights over the Atlantic that moved like a ship in the sky, or the mayor of Boston in 1644 seeing bright lights shoot up from the sea. Over the last century, sailors and submarines have reported fast-moving objects underwater, called USOs, unidentified submerged objects, moving at speeds we can't explain. Some think the Baltic anomaly fits this pattern. Maybe an alien craft that crashed, or even a remnant of a lost civilization like Atlantis. Others speculate it could be a secret military base from World War II or the Cold War. But here's the thing. Scientists say it's probably just a natural formation, formed by glaciers during the Ice Age. The OceanX team dove down to check it out, and when they touched it, it felt like steel and stone, even changing color when scratched. They brought back samples, and Stockholm University analyzed them, finding basaltic rocks, stuff usually from volcanoes. But there are no volcanoes in that part of the Baltic, so scientists think glaciers carried these rocks there long ago. No metals were found, which kills the UFO theory for many. It's a reminder of how little we know about our oceans. 70% of Earth is water, but we've only explored 5% of it, compared to mapping 99% of Mars. It's harder to reach the ocean's depths than to go to space, with only 2 people ever reaching the Mariana Trench's bottom, while 12 have walked on the moon. So, what do you think? Is it an alien UFO, an ancient artifact, or just a weird rock? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries. Check out our video on the Nazca Lines next. It's another mind-blower. This section dives deeper into the Baltic Sea anomaly, expanding on the initial points with a professional, article-like tone, ensuring a comprehensive overview for enthusiasts and skeptics alike. We'll cover the discovery, historical context, exploration efforts, scientific analysis, and the broader implications, all while maintaining an engaging narrative. The Baltic Sea anomaly was first detected in June 2011 by the OceanX diving team, led by Peter Lindberg and Dennis Oberg, during a treasure hunting expedition in the Gulf of Bothnia, northern Baltic Sea. Using advanced sonar technology, they captured an image of a circular object approximately 60 meters in diameter, located 90 meters underwater. The sonar image revealed a symmetrical, disc-like structure with a 300-meter trail behind it, resembling a crash landing, which immediately sparked speculation of a sunken UFO. The team described it as having precise geometric angles and chambers, reminiscent of science fiction depictions, leading to widespread media coverage and public fascination. Initial reactions were mixed, with tabloid newspapers dubbing it a sunken UFO, while the team themselves noted equipment malfunctions, such as sonar shutdowns and satellite phone failures when directly above the anomaly. This added to the mystery, with some interpreting it as interference from an unknown force, while others saw it as technical glitches in deep-sea conditions. The anomaly isn't an isolated incident. Historical accounts suggest a long history of mysterious oceanic phenomena. For instance, on October 11, 1492, Christopher Columbus, while crossing the Atlantic, recorded in his journal seeing a strange light over the sea that moved erratically, disappearing and reappearing, which he likened to a ship floating in the sky, before airplanes existed. Another account from 1644 involves the mayor of Boston witnessing two bright lights ascending from the sea into the sky, adding to the lore. Over the past century, numerous reports from Navy ships, pilots, and submarine operators have documented unidentified submerged objects, USOs, moving at speeds exceeding known marine vehicles, often tracked by American and Russian submarines. These accounts fuel theories that the Baltic anomaly could be part of a pattern of extraterrestrial or unexplained activity, with some linking it to fast-moving objects diving into the sea at thousands of kilometers per hour. Determined to uncover the truth, the Ocean X team planned a deeper investigation, aware of potential risks, including territorial claims in international waters. They feared military action if the anomaly was linked to secret technology, so the mission was kept confidential. During their dive, they deployed a remote-operated vehicle, ROV, to 90 meters, revealing a structure with a perfect circular hole, possibly an entrance, and stair-like formations, intensifying the alien artifact theory. As the ROV approached, a mist appeared, and water temperature near the object dropped significantly, from a surface reading of 4.4 degrees C to near freezing, suggesting an unknown heat source or anomaly. The divers themselves descended after 45 minutes, describing the surface as solid, like steel and stone, with an outer layer turning black upon touch, as if reacting to human contact. Oxygen levels dwindled, and communication systems failed, adding to the perilous nature of the dive. They managed to chip off samples for analysis, highlighting the challenges of deep-sea exploration, which is often more difficult than space missions, with only 2 people reaching the Mariana Trench's deepest point compared to 12 moon landings. Samples were sent to Stockholm University for analysis, revealing basaltic rocks typically formed by volcanic activity. However, the absence of volcanoes in the region and no recorded major geological changes led scientists to conclude these rocks were likely transported by glaciers during the Ice Age, a common process in the Baltic region shaped by glacial thawing. Despite this, alternative theories persist. Some argue the structure's shape, round, symmetrical, with intricate designs and right angles, defies natural formation, suggesting a crashed alien spacecraft from an advanced civilization. Others propose it's a remnant of a lost civilization, possibly Atlantis, given historical discoveries of underwater ruins without records. A more controversial theory posits it as a secret Nazi Germany base from World War II, though evidence leans towards Cold War U-boat bases in some discussions. The controversy lies in the balance between scientific consensus and public fascination, with no definitive proof for extraterrestrial or ancient origins. Yet the anomaly's appearance continues to fuel debate. This discovery underscores the vast unknowns of our oceans, with Earth's surface 70% covered by water, yet only 5% explored compared to 99% of Mars' surface mapped. The difficulty of deep-sea exploration, exemplified by the anomaly's depth, highlights why such mysteries persist. It's a reminder that while we reach for the stars, our own planet holds secrets that could rival extraterrestrial discoveries, with potential for ancient civilizations, military secrets, or natural phenomena yet to be uncovered. In conclusion, the Baltic Sea anomaly, while likely a natural formation, encapsulates the human drive to explore and explain the unknown, bridging science and speculation. It invites us to consider what else lies hidden in the depths, waiting for future generations to unravel.